try so hard to be your man, kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I live again. An empty shell we used to